Welcome to the Giftease Academy. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the key differences between an admin account and a candidate account, as well as where to go to get started on the platform. So let's start with the basics. An admin user account is used to register, enroll, manage, and track candidates through the Giftease Academy portal. This account is essential for overseeing learning activities and managing your team's progress. If you are the individual who signed up your organization to the Giftease Academy, you will, by default, be registered as an organization admin. Conversely, a candidate account is designed to access the courses an admin user has enrolled them in. A candidate who is not an admin will not have access to the Giftease Academy portal. Instead, they will directly access their courses via a registration email link, which connects them to Reach 360, our course delivery platform. When you register for Giftease Academy's free tier, you'll receive one free candidate license. Our recommendation is to register yourself, the admin, as a candidate. This will give you direct access to enrolling courses and help you understand the learner's journey. Of course, if you prefer, you can assign your free candidate license to another individual to enroll them in courses instead. For reference, you can upgrade your subscription at any time to access additional candidate licenses. You are not limited to one admin account. Multiple admin accounts can be created to assist with candidate management. For example, this is particularly useful when enrolling for retail gift aid courses, as you may want to set up an admin per branch. It's important to remember that admin accounts are used to register, enroll, manage, and track candidates, not to access courses. Admins who wish to access courses must create a separate candidate account. Once you've registered your admin account and, if applicable, set yourself up as a candidate, you will need to upgrade your subscription to start inviting new candidates. To learn how to create candidate accounts, please watch our How to Invite Candidates tutorial, which will guide you step by step through the process. Thank you for choosing Giftease Academy. We're here to make learning management simple and effective for you and your team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk. Thanks for watching.